Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Bruno Brown. In today's video, I want to go over a stock that's been having a huge hype in the past 2 weeks. Everybody's been talking about them or buying them a lot. And also, this is a good stock for you that is just starting your portfolio. It could be a good first or second stock that you own your portfolio and build up from there. And also could be a great stock if you already have a solid and big portfolio. That could be a great addition to that. So without further ado, let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's take a look on the portfolio before we go over the stock we're talking about today. So we just passed $10,000 a couple days ago. Now it's a 5-digit investment portfolio. We're very happy with that. We've been working on this every day and it's been growing. Very happy, very satisfied so far. But let's go ahead and dive in on today's stock. Today I'm gonna talk about my number 7 position on my portfolio, Antero Midstream, ticker name AM. So went up 10 cents today, and this is a steal, guys. $5.45 for a dividend stock that pays $1.23 a year. This is really cheap right here, as you can see on my average cost down here. As I bought some in the past, my average cost is $5.81, so this is an even better deal right here. So yeah, let's scroll down a little, learn more about Antero Midstream. And this stock has such a hyper in this past couple weeks. A lot of people are talking about and buying as well. Let's find out why. So this past week went down 4 cents. And in the past month, this stock went down almost $2. So that's one of the reasons why people are investing in this stock so much right now, as you can see the line. Because it's going down, went down the past month, and because it pays $1.23 a year for a stock that only costs just over $5, okay? So let's take a look here on my numbers. I currently own 70 shares. This represents 3.76% of my portfolio. Like I said before, I got my average cost at $5.81. My market value is $381.50. This was my costs when I'm up $7 today, but down $25. But I'm not worried about that. Those numbers change every day, go up and down. I'm holding this for a very long time. So right now it doesn't matter if those numbers goes up and down. I'm holding this for a long time. So let's learn a little more about Antero Midstream. So Antero Midstream owns, operates, and develops midstream energy assets to service Antero resource production and completion activity. It operates through the following segments: gathering and processing and water handling. Okay. 547 employees at the moment. Okay. Market cap 2.57 billion. Not bad. High and lows today, so it got to 522 today. Wow. I wish I had seen that today. I would have bought some. Week high and lows. Oh my god. $1.69 in the past year. 52 weeks is a year. So, and the high $8.45. So I bet that in a few months this is gonna be back to $8-9. So on top of again the dividends every 3 months, I'm bet that this is gonna go up $2-3 in the next 5-6 months. So you're not just gonna gain dividends, but also if you decide to sell, you're gonna make a profit. All right, let's keep scrolling down here. Founded in 2013, headquarters in Denver, Colorado. Okay, let's keep scrolling down. Okay, 11% of the analysts says this is a buy. Okay, let's see the history here. Let's see what I have done. See how I have invested in this stock since I started investing. So I first bought in July 23rd. I bought 10 shares at $5.99 each. So as you can see, at $5.45 today, this is a stock. This is a great deal at $5.45 today. So I bought some more, and I had my first round of payouts, of dividend payouts. At the time of the payout, I only owned 15 shares, and I got $4.61 at the time, and got reinvested. I have the reinvested option on my Robinhood portfolio. All you gotta do, you go to your account and turn that on if you want your dividends to be reinvested. I would suggest that because my dividends have been growing over time. Now I own 70 shares. At the time of the first payout, I only owned 15. Now with 70 shares, I'm getting $86.10 a year, or as this dividend stock pays quarterly every 3 months, I'm getting $21.53 every 3 months. So guys, like we do in every single video, let's go to nasdaq.com and learn more about Antero Midstream. Find out how much they pay monthly, quarterly, yearly. So all you gotta do, go to your right hand side here in the search box and type the stock ticker name, and it pops right down here. Just click on the link, and then you're gonna scroll down and click on a dividend history on the left hand side, and there we go. So on the top here you got the current price of the stock, $5.45. Okay, let's keep scrolling down. So Antero Midstream pays $1.23 a year. This is a quarterly stock, so they pay 0.308, almost 31 cents every 3 months for every single share that you own. Dividend yield 23.56%. The dividend yield is how much they pay per share for every single share, so it's 23.56%. That's a really high dividend yield. That's why I'm investing in this stock. Ex-dividend day is if you buy the stock before this day, you're gonna be included in the next payout. Okay. So Antero Midstream has been paying dividends since 2015, and it seems like they've been very steady on their dividend payments. It seems like they've been increasing every 3 months, and they've been paying the same amount for the last 5 quarters, almost 31 cents per share. So I believe that this is a great stock for you to buy and hold it. A stock that only costs $5.40, that pays $1.23 a year and 31 cents every 3 months. It's a huge deal. I myself are gonna be holding this stock for a long time. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it if you like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.